Let's take these YouTube channels and redesign the YouTube app icon to match their themes. Starting with MrBeast, the biggest YouTuber in the world. First, I change the color of the logo, then get back the triangle shape. Also, I copy the lightning icon behind the eye of Beast and put it on top of the triangle. Remove the unnecessary part of the lightning icon. Then I add a drop shadow for the lightning icon because the original logo has a shadow, and give it a black outline like the MrBeast original logo. I add a highlight on the top and a shadow for the bottom because the original logo also has them both. Finally, I add a texture for the background that the MrBeast logo background has.
So here is the YouTube app, but with the MrBeast theme. Because MrBeast has passed 500 million subscribers, YouTube should consider this kind of change. What do you think? If you agree with me, like this video. Now we've completed 1 and 7 to go. It's time to make Dream's YouTube theme app icon. First, I make a path around the logo, then fill that path with a stroke. I also do the same thing to the triangle piece. Then I put 2 dots for Dream's eyes and remove the red color of the original logo. I paint the background with a light green color, like the original logo background color. So here is the YouTube app, but with Dream's theme. This is the second easiest app icon I made in this video. Okay, now let's head into Cocomelon. First, I recreate the melon structure. Then paste it onto the YouTube logo. Next, I recreate the pink part and paste it. And add a white outline. Next, I made the base of the TV antenna. Then I resize the triangle piece of the YouTube logo and turn it black. Cocomelon has a cute little nose, but with the YouTube theme, this is the new nose. Then I make the eyes. Then make the missing part of the antenna. Then I make the ladybug. Finally, I add the mouth with a little smile. So here is the YouTube app with Cocomelon. Next, I choose Dude Perfect. First, I change the color. Then the challenge is to make the letters D and P in the YouTube logo. After so many calculations, I did this. I will speed up the process. Yeah, it's not much, but it took a little more time than I expected. In that process, I also removed the white part of the triangle piece. So here is the YouTube app with Dude Perfect. Now we've made half of the YouTube icons. 4 is done and 4 to go. As the 5th one, I choose Kurzgesagt. First, I paste the Earth image onto the YouTube logo. Then I add an outline for the triangle because it needs to be seen separately. Then I add an outline for the YouTube logo with this outline color. Finally, I fill the background with this outline color. So here is the YouTube app, but with the Kurzgesagt theme. This is the easiest icon I made in this video. Next, we go to make the Becker YouTube icon, the best stickman animation channel in the world. This YouTube logo is a mouse cursor with fire, and they are both pixelated. First, I add a black outline to the triangle piece because mouse cursors have that. Then I go to Filter, Pixelate, and choose Mosaic. Adjust the value. Then I add a fire image to the rest of the logo, and also pixelate it. Then I add a black background to the app icon. Finally, I add a little glow so the logo can be seen separately. So here is the YouTube app with Becker. Now 6 is done, and 2 more to go. For the next one, I choose WWE. First, I copy the W shape from their logo and rotate it 90 degrees. Then I resize it to match the YouTube triangle shape. Then change the logo color to black. Finally, I recreate the red piece from the WWE logo and put it in the right position. So here is the YouTube app with the WWE theme. As the final channel, I choose Mark Rober, one of the biggest experiment YouTube channel. His logo has a bulb, so I decided to create a bulb with the YouTube logo. I speed up that process for you. Okay, so here is our new bulb. Then I add the background color that their logo background has. So here is the YouTube app made with the Mark Rober theme. Okay, here are all 8 YouTube channel themed YouTube app icons. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments and subscribe to see this kind of video every week. If you like photo manipulation content, you might like one of these. Go check it out. I'll see you there.